Welcome back to Retro Phone Show, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at this Chinese phone. So what are we waiting for? Here we go! Here we have this Chinese flip phone. I'm not sure how to pronounce the name, but I will spell it out. It's the TKEXUN, and the model number is the G9000. First of all, I will show you the phone when it's off, and then I will turn him on and we'll have a look at the menus and whatnot. So here we go, let's have a look at the phone itself first. The front here we have the name. Then we have this G here in the front, which it's got all LED lights on here when it is opened and closed, and when it rings and all that, it all flashes. The bottom here, I think, is the microphone port and the microphone all, I think. On this side here we have the charging port, which is located here, the normal charging port, the common one. If I can get the phone to focus, there we are. This, oh my god. Alright, thank you, mate. Thank you. Sorry about that. I just had another phone thinged. Let me just unwrap this. Take my name off it. And my postcode. Do that. I'll show you some more stuff on here. Now, while this have come, I might as well show you this first, just to see what this is. I know what phone it is, but we'll have a look now. Let's get something to put this with. I wasn't expecting this in the video, but I might as well show you it now. It's come and I'm actually doing the video. Won't take me 2 minutes just to show you it. If you don't want to watch this part, you can always fast forward the video. It won't be two minutes. Some paperwork. Oh, here we are. What's this? There we are. I got a Motorola C975, brand new boxed. As I'll be doing that on a video in the future. This one, I've actually got upstairs as well, which have all been reprogrammed. All the free logos been took off it and whatnot, and it's all been reprogrammed with all different stuff. But this I'll do original one and that one side by side. Anyway, that's that. Right, I've been waiting for that to come for quite a while. Right then, so Let's crack on with this. Where was we? Yep, the charging port is located there. If I can just get him to focus. That's our side there. There's nothing to see there. On the back here we have a camera. It's supposed to be a HD camera, and the LED torch is all little LEDs going across. This was a long beam. It's pretty powerful. The back of it here is actually metal, and the front here is metal, but the rest of it is plastic. So let me just show you this bit. It's metal. Here's where you put your SIM cards and that. See, there's the name. You put your memory card, will go in there. Your one SIM card goes in there, and the other one goes underneath there. Obviously, I covered up the MEI numbers, obviously for security reasons. There you are. Let me just show you the battery a minute. It's supposed to be a 300 whatever it's supposed to be. I don't believe that, mind, but it could be. But the battery looks rather small. 3800 milliamp. If that is the case, it's not too bad. Right, just plonk him in here. Obviously we push him in there. It's quite a tight fit. And we plonk him there. Right then. Let's turn him on. There we are. As you can see, UK, Vodafone UK. You can see that. Vodafone UK. It's all about running on Vodafone. This is actually unlocked to 2G networks, I believe. Yeah. Here's the LED lights. Very cool. Let's show you the torch a minute. Here it is. It don't look very bright at the moment because it's bright in here, but it is really bright. Let's turn him off. Hang on. Back. Yeah, that's off. What is out with the menu? We have phone book. Let's have a look at the games a minute. Oh, and there you are. You get the gist of that one. Let's see what the other game's like. That's just the settings. Right, so file manager, multimedia, shoot up the camera, see if that will work. Yep, there you are. Not a bad camera. To me it looks a bit grainy, but it's not too bad. The colour's a bit low on it. It's alright. So that's the camera. Let's have a look at the ringtones. Profile. Options. Customize. Right, there's the ringtones. You've only got 5 on yet. Most of these ringtones I've heard on the other Chinese phones. They're pretty common on the Chinese mobile phones. And obviously this one here, the bottom one, select from file. Obviously if you had any ringtones on your memory card you downloaded, you could use them as well, which would be more better because them ones are pretty poor. And obviously you have the ringer volume, and then you have the message tone. See if the message tones are the same. They are different. That's actually the flip tone as well. I wonder if I can change the flip tone. Keypad tone. Power on and off tone. Cover open. Yeah, there you are. See if we can change this. Change. Come on, that one. Hey! Is that one? And the close as well. We'll change it to close. I like that one. It's more cooler. Alright. Yeah, so see if I've changed the flip on it. What? Let's try that again. Gotta be able to do that somehow. profiles, customize. I'm not sure how to save it. Cover open. Cover open. Ah, save you are. Select. Right, so customize. Do that again for cover close. Yeah, save. Oop, that's what I didn't do last time, save it. I think that's why it didn't work. Hopefully now it'll work. Here we are. Oh, I like that one. That's better. Yee-hoo. That's much better. That's more like it. Let's have a look at more of the menu now then. Look at more of the settings, I think. Profiles, you have phone settings, time and date, language, display, auto update time, flight mode, and all that jabba. Oh, we got messages, we know what they are. We have don't want that one. Calendar, magic. Went to, what's that, the multimedia, wasn't it, that was? Camera, yeah, no. Movie King, sound recorder, FM radio. Do we need earphones for the FM radio? Spec we do. No, we don't. Look, an actual phone, we don't need earphones for the radio. Obviously, I'm not going to bother scanning it now, we'll be all day. There you are. So the radio works. Oh, hang on now, I've got to try to turn it off now. Right, that was off. So that's the radio. We have sound recorder, audio player. I don't think there's any songs on here. Oh, it's just that one there. Just that one there. Sound recorder, magic viewer. So where was the magic voice? I can't remember where the magic voice was now. Can't remember. Color LED setting. I also can have it for power on, power off, incoming calls, receive messages, MP3s. You can have it on when you're listening to music. And you can have it for all up. This will work on everything. Restore settings. And here we are. I will ring it again, just to show you it ringing. Oh, I love the sound of that. Right, here we go. Ring him again. Here we are. Missed calls, cancel that. Right, you are. Obviously you can put two SIM cards in here. I've only got one at the moment, which is, as you can see there, Vodafone UK. It is unlocked to it is unlocked to 2G networks. I'm not too sure if it will work on any other. I have got a 4G Vodafone SIM card in here, and it's working with that, so in the UK. I like the sound of that. That is much, much better. Yeah. Lovely stuff. And there you are. That is a Chinese flip phone called TKEXUN. And like I said, the model number is G9000. I'm not too sure of the year it was made, but I think it's pretty recently, a couple of years ago. Maybe. Not too long ago though, I don't think. You can get them now on eBay and that. They vary from about 30 to 50 quid. So, as always, thank you very much for watching. I'll be back pretty soon with another video. But until then, thank you very much and bye!